Do you want more cash to play with? Or do you dream of seeing those double digits in your bank account? You'll be surprised at how easy it is. You might even wonder why you didn't start sooner. But before we dive into these first simple money magnets, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. Now that we're all set, let's dive in. The first thing that you need to do to attract money and wealth into your life is to develop a positive relationship with money. Like most people, you probably desire wealth more than anything. You spend a lot of time and resources learning the tricks of attaining money and wealth. While wealth can offer a sense of security and comfort, it doesn't always guarantee happiness. The most effective approach to attracting wealth into your life, therefore, is by cultivating a positive relationship with money. You must believe that you are worthy of wealth. If you want to become wealthy, and who doesn't need more money? The truth is we all do. You see, more money allows us to live a comfortable life and provide for our families. More money enables us to make a positive impact in the world, such as supporting charities and contributing to important causes like the fight against climate change. Did you know that when you pursue more money, you attract more of the same into your life, which with time would result in wealth? But before you can have wealth, you have to change your relationship with money. You can only change your relationship with money by changing your mindset about money. Most of us tend to hold negative beliefs about money by convincing ourselves that money is the source of evil in the world. Of course, money can and does motivate evil acts, but it also plays an important part in making the world a more positive place to live in by focusing on the positive aspects associated with money. You stand a better chance of getting more money. Start by thinking about how having more money could improve your life by making it easier and more enjoyable. Whether it's taking a dream vacation, investing in a new business venture, or purchasing your dream car, financial success can bring numerous positive changes in your life. The second thing that you need to do to attract money and wealth into your life is to have a positive attitude. Attracting money and wealth into your life isn't only determined by hard work or luck. It is tied to your understanding of the principles of money and wealth and how they work. Think about money and wealth as forms of energy. Just like any other energy, money and wealth follow the path they are invited or allowed to flow into. To attract more money and wealth into your life, you need to create a space for them to flourish by developing a positive attitude. You need to believe in yourself and your financial goals if you want to attract money and wealth in your life. If you constantly dwell in negativity and complain about life's difficulties, it becomes challenging to attract financial success. However, by staying optimistic and focusing on the positive aspects of your life, money is more likely to flow naturally to your life. Another way to cultivate a positive attitude about money and wealth is by giving back. When you donate money to others, you are signaling to the universe that you have more than enough and are willing to share your abundance. Donating money contributes to a healthier relationship with money and wealth, ultimately attracting more of them into your life. The third thing that you need to do to attract money and wealth into your life is to challenge limiting beliefs. We like to make up beliefs about ourselves and our environment. However, these beliefs don't necessarily reflect the truth or reality of a situation. If you tell yourself things like, you might feel nervous about applying for your dream job or asking for a raise. Let's assume you have an important meeting with your boss today to discuss your professional aspirations and plans. You might start to think, I'm not as productive as the others, so I'm going to mess this up, when the reality is you're one of the most valuable employees. By getting caught in false beliefs of ourselves, our subconscious tries to block positive feelings, but you can actually get rid of limiting beliefs by following these 4 steps. Step 1. Identify the limiting belief. What do I believe about myself that is generating hardship in my life will help you find your limiting beliefs. Your mind will start searching deep within your consciousness for solutions. Step 2. Ask yourself if the belief is true. Do you believe the limiting belief is true? Is it only a misunderstanding of a real-life event? The more you ask yourself these questions, the more you will start to doubt the limiting belief in question. You will begin to question the belief even if you were once assured of it. Start doing something that makes you uncomfortable to show yourself that your limiting beliefs are not true. Most people don't get positive feedback from others, so they have to test their beliefs to see if they are true. Which is why you should avoid obsessing about what others think about you and try to be around positive people who love and care about you. Construct a fresh, empowering belief and gather evidence to back it up. Think of a belief as a table. The top of the table is your belief in the legs. There are all the bits of evidence holding up that belief. Now imagine knocking out those legs one by one until eventually the table topples over. That's how you challenge a belief. Once the old negative belief, like "I'm not good enough," comes crashing down, you set up a new positive one in its place. Think, "I am more than enough." Step 4. Welcome the positive belief. Your brain is always in a homeostatic state, which means it despises change. Don't panic if you get drawn back to your limiting belief, as this is normal. A positive belief can grow like a muscle. In the beginning, it will be weak, but as you condition it more each day, it will get stronger. The last thing you need to do to attract money and wealth into your life is to focus on the things you can control. Although we can't really do much about stuff like inflation rates, where bond yields are headed, or the ups and downs of stock prices. But there's a whole lot in our financial world that we do have a grip on. Think about how much you're saving versus spending, the costs and taxes on your investments, the level of risk you're comfortable with in your investments, and how you handle those unexpected market twists and turns. The trick is to stop sweating over the things out of your control and zero in on what you can manage. Trust me, that's a smart and rewarding way to handle your finances. Fancy a big house or a sleek car? Are you eager for that next pay bump or promotion? It's pretty normal to want these things, but here's a little food for thought. While getting these things might give you a quick happiness shot, they're not a one-way ticket to lasting joy. Look around, especially in developed worlds. People's living standards have shot up over the years. But despite all this, a lot of folks aren't as content with their lives as you'd expect, especially compared to the past. Here's the thing. When you finally get that dream home or nail that promotion, sure, you'll be on cloud 9, but only for a bit. Before you know it, that buzz fades and suddenly you're eyeing the next big thing. It's a vicious cycle that only leads to misery in the end. You see, although money and wealth can make you feel safe and comfortable, it doesn't necessarily always make you happy. Nonetheless, the best way to attract wealth into your life is to develop a positive relationship and attitude with money. If you're always fixated on what you're missing out on, somehow the universe seems to take note and keeps it that way. So the trick is to be grateful for what you've got and treat it with respect. It also means being smart with your money by investing in yourself and your future. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and see you in the next one.